Hey everyone, Charlene here for Whimsy Stamps. I have a new product reveal for you. It's the Doggie Birthday Party 4x6 clear stamp set. This set is absolutely adorable. It contains 3 doggy stamps, a bone stamp, a balloon stamp, and 6 sentiment stamps. Now the doggy stamps measure approximately 2 1/4 by 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 by 2.5 inches, and 2.5 by 2.5 inches. The balloon stamp measures 1 3/4 inches by 3/4 inches, and the bone measures 1.5 by 1 inch. The sentiment stamps vary in size, with the largest measuring 2 by 1.5 inches and the smallest measuring 3/4 inches by 1/4 inch. I've made one card with the set incorporating several other Whimsy Stamp products, all of which will be linked down below in the description. Just to give you a little taste of what the sentiments are, they say things such as happy yappy birthday, ready to PAW-ty, you're getting cuter, not older, for you, have the best birthday ever, and party time. I hope you'll join me over on the Whimsy Stamps Facebook inspiration group. You also can follow Whimsy Stamps on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Until next time, happy crafting!